Uber finally showed up. What's up, dog?
What's up, dude? Oh.
Yeah.
Got chug.
Tight. Missing a bike. Sandy Valley bound, baby. Let's go. Oop. No, I missed it. Got the 2-lit 450. Then we got the Joey, getting you some fresh rubbers for the pitter.
Dude, I was gonna buy that same jacket. Bro. Aaron, that sucks, bro. Bro, now I put too much gas, now it's gonna be lean.
You got your oil?
I am out. It's running like that.
No, you're good. Sick chonies.
For the ladies.
Did you get a photo of this? Okay.
He's vlogging it. I'm so comfortable. Hey, how'd you feel to be a factory rider?
You know, factory life is for life, bro. Not too many people can do it.
Yeah, I know.
I'm definitely like, I can do it.
Got the golden shower going all over his truck. And I thought you had a factory ride. But you're out here cleaning bikes.
Yeah, dog. Gotta work for this shit.
Hey, so everyone who thinks that this kid's got a factory ride just because I let him ride my bike,
America.
he actually washes the bikes and works on them himself.
That guy agreed with me. This is why I don't do this. This is why I don't do this. You can't put that pressure washer together. Alright, there we go.
There we go. About to put on the new seat cover. Shout out Thrill Seekers. Hooking it up. Little update, we got all the plastics off, got the exhaust off, front wheels off. We got everything pretty much taken apart, labeled everything. Got this all taken apart so we can get it out and Cerakote it. I'll be taking off these wheels or tires today and then pulling all the bearings out of that so that way we can Cerakote those and finish taking everything else apart. So let's continue on with this teardown. All right, so a little update on the 110 build. We got some powder, all the stuff that needs to get coated, bunch of jackets with the frame. So we're gonna head off to powder coat, go powder coat the frame, fork tubes and all that, and then hopefully have this assembled in the next video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what the end result of this build is on this 110, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna do some updated pictures, and hit that like button. It helps me out, kind of gives me some more confidence. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.